So hello everyone, and so after many accurate analysis like yesterday, here I am again doing the analysis of EURUSD for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at news today. So we are not having high impact news, I mean in euro, but we are having a high impact news in USD at 7:30 p.m. So be cautious at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, since this could be a high spread and high volatile timing. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below the low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the low, the price retraced back to this level over here, where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the price a bullish push. So there is nothing clear right now into the monthlies, since we are sweeping the lows and highs. So I'll be moving to weeklies. This is the weekly chart, and we can see that we are having an order flow being maintained by the market, and the price is currently moving into the downward direction, and we are having a swept leg which has swept this swing. So I'm anticipating the price to show a reaction into the either side from this leg. So there is nothing yet clear into the weeklies. So let's move to the dailies. This is the daily chart, and we can see that we are having equal lows accumulated. We have swept the swing of the daily here, and what do we have here now is I'm anticipating the price to take the high of the previous day and then move into the downward direction, taking this equal low. So let's move to the smaller time frames for a precise picture. There is nothing yet clear, so I'll be moving into the 30 minutes directly. This is the 30-minute chart, and what we can see is that the price has established a strong high, and I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction, take the Asia high or take the previous day high, and then move into the downward direction towards this equal lows. So most likely for today's bias, I am bearish, I am bullish till the Asia high is being taken by the market or the previous day's high, but we have established a strong high, so this will be a less chance, but I'll still consider it that we are either going to take the previous day's high or the Asia high, and then we are going to move into the downward direction towards this equal lows of the higher time frames. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.